Yes, Massive and crew, back once again with another video. And I just want to say to all my junglists out there who are in the world, all around the world, Italy, Tenerife, in America, you know, globally, if you're worried about the coronavirus going about, because that's all I'm hearing in the news is coronavirus, I just want to say to you guys, you know what I mean, now's the time to just enjoy your life to the max, get as healthy as possible. You know, because they say, you know, everyone is going to get it at some point, or if not now, if not in the future. You know, flu is a regular occurrence. It's going to happen every single year, and we're always going to have different strains of flus coming in every year, SARS and all these other, you know, bird flu, swine flu, pig flu and all this business. So I just want to say, first of all, condolences to anybody who's lost any loved ones. If there's anyone out there obviously who's got any underlying health problems, do your best. You know, if you're overweight, exercise more, quit smoking. If you're suffering from diabetes, you know, do what you can, go on a plant-based diet, do your best to get yourself as optimal as possible so you can fight flu. Now, me personally, so far, every year, I don't normally get sick. You know, I go for runs, I do my best, and I've also got a mad herb cupboard, you know, information on the chest, ginger, garlic, golden seal root, all these things will help you to get rid of mucus. Don't eat or drink any dairy products, definitely reduce inflammation in the body, you know, but the regular tonics, man, for your everyday stuff, you know, dose up on all these garlic and ginger remedies and all that. And obviously I'm not going to say it's going to cure a viral, but it might help cure some of the symptoms that go with it, man. And it's really sad out there right now what's going on, and you know, condolences to anybody who's passed away and been affected by this. And you know, my family, my missus got asthma, my daughter's got asthma, and you know, definitely something I don't want to happen to any of my family. And you know, as a DJ, I'm worried about gigs going forward. You know, what we're going to do, people. Like, I want you guys to comment down below, let me know your views. I know some people are living life to the fullest, and I think now you can be anxious, and the best thing to do now, man, is to start, like, go back in time, man. Look at all of the best years you've had in your life, enjoy everything, and just, like, you know, get your mind in a good state to take illness, because you know what, your mind can be strong and can defeat disease. If you're you can't fight disease if you're in a fearful state in your mind. You know, you need all your bacteria in your gut right when you're fighting disease, man. So put on your favorite tunes, enjoy your life, put on your favorite movies, appreciate people, hang out with the people close to you in your family. Obviously wash your hands, like what they're saying out there, and all the scientists are recommending. These are important things that you can do. And obviously they're saying social distancing now. Obviously I don't understand this whole what they call it, herd immunization palaver, and I'm not a scientist, and I'm leaving that down to that, but there's a lot of controversy going on because they're having discrepancies between one scientist and the other scientists, and maybe that, you know, maybe they should lock down the country, maybe they shouldn't, you know, maybe they, you know, we've got to follow our leaders, so to speak. So, like, what I say to people is comment down below, let me know your views on all this stuff here, man. And you know, I'm a DJ. I don't know if anyone else is feeling the same vibes as me right now, and I just wanted to do a quick video just to address this, man. Don't fear, people, just enjoy your music, enjoy your life, and just be careful, you know what I mean. And obviously isolate the people that you think are in danger the most, you know what I mean, and the people that are strong enough. Like I say, most people get flu, and I get a little sniffle and I'm good to go. But this year now, when I get a little sniffle from the flu, I'm going to be para. I'm going to be thinking, rah, man, what's going on? It's mad. Like, I've had a runny nose. I did have a slight cough yesterday, but I was taking a bit of garlic and that kind of calmed it down. I've been on the garlic, I've been mixing up the herbs, sticking it in a cup, pretty much just about every flipping respiratory herb I can figure out. Ginger, garlic, lemon, flipping golden seal. I've been on the vitamin C, I've been on the black seed oil. I've been going in, you know what I mean, because every year 600,000 people die of normal flu, you know what I mean, and 20,000 people die a year of asthma, and these are global figures, you know what I mean. and so heart attack is in the millions. People die of heart attack every year. So there's a lot of diseases that actually so far actually kill more people than coronavirus. But at the same time, coronavirus is a nasty disease, and obviously everyone's got their reasons. So all the food, all the shops are sold out of certain things, and people are rushing for toilet paper. I don't know, like they think, yeah, this disease is going to be a diarrhea thing. I don't know, but you know, you can always use the Evening Standard if you run out of toilet paper, or the Sun. You know what I mean? But anyway, guys, don't take it on too much. I know that YouTube right now is dominated with coronavirus videos, man, and like what's happened to the people. I'm not seeing no people popping up having their say in what's going on. You know, another thing that I'm actually worried about is that, you know, when there's hospitals and everything does get flooded, because like you've got to wait 3 hours in a hospital to get seen to now for something that a kidney pain or whatever, they send you to the important part of it and to get looked after, and certain things that you get, you'd be waiting up to 3 hours, so far less for this thing when it happens, man. Like, they don't seem to have enough beds, not hospital beds, what they call it, respiratory ICUs. They don't seem to have enough of those in our NHS system. The NHS in the UK is struggling already, as you know it. So what's going to happen when this wave, or when all these people start rushing the hospital? It's going to be madness. So guys, I'm going to leave that with you. Everyone stay safe, stay strong, and I'm going to be uploading my videos as normal. And if there's a lockdown, then obviously it's going to be a positive thing for me, because I'm just going to have to be getting into my videos even more. But guys, I just hope none of my family get it and none of your family get it. And again, condolences. Peace out.